To search the APA Thesaurus, go up to the Thesaurus on the blue bar. You're going to go past the first search box. Go down to the second search box. In this example, I'm trying to find articles on popularity, and I want to know if popularity is the best term to use. I'm searching for the term popularity, and it shows right here. I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show me broader terms associated with popularity and related terms. Social perception is a broader term. Any of these other terms I might also want to use. For example, social approval. I'm going to add that to my search. Maybe I also want to add the term social influences. So right now it's going to add either of those terms. It's going to do a subject search for social approval or social influences. Later, I can change these to keyword terms or mix and match them if I prefer. I get over 1,000 results, but I do need to reset my limiters. My results go all the way back to 1895. I might want to take care of that. I'm going to search for full text. I'm going to make sure all of my results are peer-reviewed, and they are. And finally, I want only empirical studies. I can do a lot of different things with the search. Once I find terms using the thesaurus, I can mix and match keywords and subject headings. I can change subject headings to keywords. I'm going to try a lot of different things until I get the absolute best results. And remember, every time you search new, make sure that you reset your limiters.